YouTube, what's going on with y'all out there? It's your boy RB and I'm back with another video. First and foremost, I'd like to say Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Hope everybody was safe. Hope everybody is safe. You know, hope everybody doing, you know, the things that they want to do. You feel me? Yeah. With that being said, you know, today, December 29th, and as you see, I'm in the Buick, the Lacrosse. Right now, I'm about to go and get some oil and a filter. I'm gonna change the oil in this because since we bought it, I haven't done nothing to it. We just been driving it. I mean, everything checks out with it. You know, it's running good. You know, driving good. We done been back and forth to the casino. I don't know how many times in North Carolina. So, yeah, I mean, it's driving like it's supposed to. You know, like I said, I'm just gonna change the oil because, you know, that's what I do when I get a vehicle. I change the oil, filter, and I put a bars engine treatment in every vehicle when I do an engine or when I do a oil change. I always put one of those in there. I mean, I guess just for insurance, you feel me? Make sure it's gonna run right, make sure it is running right. So I put one of those in there. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm going to Walmart. Yeah, I'm going to Walmart to get my oil and the engine treatment thing, because for some reason, I don't know if you know, I've noticed it, at Walmart everything is cheaper. Like you can go to a automotive store like Advance, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, all that, and you can get the same engine treatment and it would be like $15 at the parts store, but at Walmart it's like $10, $11. So shoot, why not go there? And see, this right here is just a cruiser, you know, a nice little vehicle to have. So I'm not about to get no I'm not about to get no expensive oil. You know, I'm about to get a Walmart brand oil, throw it in here, and put my engine treatment in here. Put my oil filter in there, call it a day. And shoot, we good with that. But yeah, that's what we got planned for today. Man, I got some videos that I got put up that I'm planning on dropping pretty soon. One video for sure I want to drop is me going to the muffler shop for the S10. I mean, it didn't go as planned. I mean, we had some issues with the S10, and let's just say I have to change something in the engine for the S10 because it was doing some things that it should not have been doing. And now that I found out, I've done my research, and yeah, I have to change some things. But yeah, got that video. Also, video of me working on the S10 with the big brake upgrade. You know, the spindles, hubs, calipers, and all that. So yeah, dropping that one. If not, I probably already dropped it. Yeah, I got some videos coming, so yeah, just stay tuned. But yeah, like I said, we're on our way to Walmart now. I should be there in about another 5 minutes. And me, I always go in the back door because the automotive store right there. And I'm not about to go in the front of Walmart just to walk all the way to the back, then have to walk back to the front. You feel me? I park right there in the back, go in, get what I need to get, and walk my tail right back out. So, yeah, like I said, we almost there. I'm about to pull up, like I said, in about 5 minutes. And yeah, I'll turn y'all off, and I'll turn y'all back on once I get there. All right. done made it back to the house. Now I'm about to go around and get this stuff out. Had to get my tools. Show you what we're working with. This is basically what I use for my oil change. 5, maybe 30 engine repair, just in case. Yeah, and we about to get to it. This is my first time actually being under here, and it ain't too bad. Like, for real, you would think it's rusted. Nah. I think it came from up. I know it came from up north. Yeah, it ain't bad. Not at all. Nope. That ain't bad at all. We're gonna see. Let's get this thing off. Yeah, it ain't too bad. I'm gonna take this off too, that cover thing. I don't know, this thing gonna fall as soon as I hit it. There you go. Oh, the oil about to be hot. I should be wearing some gloves, but I know this oil gonna be hot. Hopefully it shoot out that way. Not directly on me. That wasn't too bad. Let that drain out. But yeah, needed that oil. For real. We're gonna let all that drain out. That's all of it. Go ahead and wipe it. That's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna get this oil filter off. Fill it back up. Like I said, it ain't too bad up under here. I think that's the catalytic converter right there. One of them anyway. They done changed that. That's the aftermarket part. But, you know, slide that out the way. I think drip 9 on the concrete. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna take this little black cover off because I don't like it. I don't think I need it no way. So, yeah. Yeah, we got that off. Now I'm about to just wipe it and put the new one on. Go ahead and put the oil in here. Got that in there. So, yep. Let's go ahead and add this oil. Yes, sir. Add this 530 in here. Gotta go kind of slow because it's wind blowing. I'm gonna pour all this in there and I'm gonna put my engine treatment in there. Like I said, I do that for every vehicle. Engine treatment. Go ahead and put this whole 5 quarts in. They say it takes 6. Alright, so we're gonna do that 5. That's what I put in there. That right there, yeah. It's for high mileage vehicles. And yeah, it do what it's supposed to do. I ain't had no issues with it. Out of all the vehicles that we use, or that we have, we ain't had no issues. I'm gonna pour this in here. said, every oil change I put one in. I didn't know y'all was turned around the wrong way. Then I put the last one in there. Start it up, let it run. Yeah. Good. 6 quarters. Sir, we did the thing. It ain't leaking. Running good, sounding good. Yeah. Sound good. Took that cover off. That'll look a whole lot better. But I'm gonna find another one though. Alright y'all, I'm back. Just got finished putting up everything. Just drove it around. Make sure everything was sounding right. Make sure the oil circulate through the engine, you know. So, you know, we done for that. sound good. It sound a whole lot better. So yeah, that's what I usually do when I change my oil and filter. I put one of those engine treatments in it. That seals the gaskets and all that. Let me turn this down. Turn it down a little bit. But yeah, that's what that do. That seals the gaskets, condition gaskets, make sure the rings all straight and stuff like that. So we went on ahead and did that, got that good, and that's what I do to every vehicle that we do have. I throw one of them in it, and every oil change I put one in it to keep the engine running, running like it's supposed to, So yeah. Well, I'm about to end this video here. I got to get ready for tomorrow. I got two big trucks I got to do tomorrow. So then it's supposed to be like in the upper 40s, so it's gonna be cold. So I gotta get ready for that. So yeah, I guess I'll get with y'all a little later. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know, that y'all rock with your boy. Let me know that y'all mess with your boy. Let me know. So yeah, till next time, I'll get with y'all.